Hey, in this video, I'll show you a very easy way to actually set custom backgrounds in Instagram group chat. So we gotta do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, let's start. So you wanna go on Instagram, you obviously want to open up a message just like so, and you want to click on the chat, the group chat. I've created a group chat with Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos or whatever sub Jeff that I managed to find. And you want to click on the name of the group chat at the top left corner. Hit the like button, by the way, on the video. And you want to click on team. Here, when we create select team, we have different teams. For example, we have a team from the Minecraft movie, and it looks pretty cool. You can also select different teams like AI teams. You can create your own team, cats teams, bubble team, bubble whatever, J-Hope season 3 of the White Lotus, thinking of you, Moodang, whatever, graph paper, swimming, hockey, baseball, and a lot of other ones. You also have the default berry sweets, and you can go all the way down to so many options. You can go for Squid Game, Rosé, and so on. So you can select any team you like, any custom team you like, and that's it. If you appreciated the video, just I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one video.